Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. Happy Monday to you. It is July 8th. Hope you're having a good summer if you're in North America, and a good, I guess it would be fall if you're in the other side of the world, Australia and what have you. And trust you're enjoying all this market action we've been having lately. It is 9:29 and 30 seconds. So we got about 30 seconds here until the open of New York. This is the Three Sisters, as most of you will know if you follow my videos. I do the same thing every day, keep it really boring, and I think that's the way trading should be if you want to make money, and that's just my humble opinion. And watching now, of course, as we head towards the open in a few seconds. This is the 1 minute chart of the NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. Three Sisters, volume weighted, average price, that blue line in the middle, VWAP, with 2.5 standard deviations. Here we go, guys. The market is open. It is Monday. I always give price action a little bit of extra time here on Mondays, or at least I typically do. I shouldn't say always. If I see something that demands flipping the coin and calling heads, I'll do it right out of the gates, but it's rare to see me do that. Certainly not on the first minute or so. It's highly unlikely you'll see me do that. But I'll be cutting out dead air, sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments, things of that nature, and keep this video nice and tight. This is the power grid here for the NASDAQ, guys. You can see that first 1 minute right there. That's the 1 minute high and low, and we're done. This is the 1 minute open range now set for the rest of the day. It'll move out to the right, of course, as more candles are printed. This red arrow signifies all-time highs, which we actually almost hit overnight. Yeah, looks like we had one tick above on the NASDAQ. The S&P did in fact hit all-time highs. You can see it here this morning in the UK session. Right here is what we broke just about, I don't know, 1 hour ago, or just under 1 hour ago actually. And there's that red arrow signifying those all-time highs. You can see the daily, of course, up here too in the top left-hand side, showing that we are in fact heading higher here, pushing higher above the 1 minute open range. Back to the Three Sisters to show you that we have, which we see a lot these days, a divergence. Price dropping on the NASDAQ, rallying on the Dow, and then splitting the difference, something muted or in the middle on the S&P. I'll put you on pause for now, guys, and bring you back as things begin to develop here. Nothing to do, guys. I'm not taking a short here. Here are the Three Sisters, above and above, but pulling down on the S&P. It's a little tempting here to look at a short, but I'm going to hold off on that for now. This being Monday and dealing with these all-time highs here, this could just be a nice little pullback ready for those dip buyers to come on back in here and drive this thing higher, like we've been seeing fairly consistently over the last few sessions, obviously the last few weeks and even months. All right, guys, now things are getting interesting. Let me take you to Three Sisters. Bullish, bullish, and pulling back. Here we go, guys. Now, this obviously, if we get a pullback to that line, I am in. Here we go, and in, guys, and in. Stop below. We've just broken the session high, and I am in now, looking for 1 hour here on the NASDAQ. All right, guys, so there it is. Well, that didn't take very long, did it? Looks like I have a new way of going about this trading thing where I start each week with a losing trade. I think I did that last week and maybe even the week before. I'm not exactly sure, but stopped out here, guys, for a 1 hour charge. This is fairly typical Monday behavior, and maybe I should have given this thing even more time. But they're back on new all-time highs again. Very bullish daily picture. We're in a rampaging bull market. The dip buyers are out in full force. Just not enough here to keep powering this thing higher. It's a 1 hour charge. It's a routine business expense. I would, in fact, take this trade every day of the week, and it would work out most of the time, but not every time. And that's what trading is all about. Thanks for being here, guys. I'll see you again a bit later.